Hello everyone, welcome to BSP Solution. My name is Shivam Temre and today topic is Basic Order Management Setups Part 2 in Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Order Management Application. Okay. So in last session we will cover basic order management setups like order management offerings and some release sequence rule, pick slip grouping rules, picking rules, and some shipping parameter collectors, some payment terms, and customer reference profile, customer profile class, and customer, how to create an customer and how to create an address. So in today's session we will start with assign roles to user, and then we will assign business unit to pricing roles. So first we have to assign the roles to user, order management roles. Now let's go to our instance and assign order management roles to user. We already assigned. So just click on navigator. Scroll it down. Go to security console. Click on users. User, that is Casey Brown. Just click on search icon. Click on user. So we already assigned role. So what roles we have required for order management? Roles, first one is the order manager. Order manager role code, that is the role code. Order manager we already assigned. Some pricing roles, that is pricing administrator, pricing analyst, pricing manager, that is code. Pricing administrator, pricing analyst. We already assigned that roles to particular user. Now assign business unit to pricing role. Search the task, manage data access for user. Click on search icon. Manage data access for user. Search with procurement based path. Order management based path. Click on manage data access for user. Just click on go to task icon. Click on go to task icon. Add. Just click on add. Username, that is Casey Brown. Role, that is order manager. Security context, that is business unit, and security context value, that is our business unit, US 1 business unit. Click on add row. Now we have to give data access to pricing roles. So select the user, that is Casey Brown, role, pricing administrator, pricing analyst, and pricing manager. So first we are giving it to pricing manager. Select pricing manager. Security context value, select business unit, and our business unit, that is US 1 business unit. Click on add row. User, that is Casey Brown, role, pricing analyst, business security context, business unit, US 1 business unit. The last, pricing administrator. Select user, administrator, security context, business unit, or business unit, that is US 1 business unit. Click on save and close. Now run LDEP job, an ESS job. Just click on done. Click on navigator, scroll it down, schedule processes, schedule new process, search with algebra, click on enter. Okay, select the row, just click on OK. Okay, submit it. Just click on submit. Yeah, click on refresh. This process is running. Now we have to create price list. Okay, so just click on navigator, creating price list. Just click on navigator, scroll it down. Under order management, we have some pricing administration task. So for pricing related task, just click on pricing administration, click on task list and select the task manage price list. Just click on manage price list. Okay, click on create price list. Let's say name is Tata price list. Business unit, that is our business unit, US1 business unit. Select our business unit, US1 business unit. Now select the currency, that is USD. Okay, start date, let's say today date. Pricing charge definition, so select the pricing charge definition as sale price. Okay, so we are working on order management application, that's why we're selecting pricing charge definition as sales price. Pricing type, as we select pricing charge definition, sale price, all the details like pricing type, charge subtype, okay, all are selected automatically. So line type set as by. Okay, just click on 7 edit and calculation method, that is price. Okay, click on 7 edit. Okay, so here we have to select our item, so just click on item tab. Okay, click on add icon. So search our item, that is Tata 1001 roller bearing. Okay, yeah, our item, that is Tata 1001 roller bearing. Pricing unit of measure, that is each. Now select the row and just click on line type. We have to must select the by. Okay, so as the sales point of view, we have to select line type as by. So just select the row and click on create charge. Okay, so here pricing charge definition, that is sales price. Now calculation method, that is price. Select the base price. Okay, let's say base price is 500. Okay, for allowing manual adjustment entries, just enable the checkbox allow manual adjustment. Scroll it down, we have to specify the start date. Let's say start date is today's date. Okay, now go to tab. Okay, yeah, now go to access set tab. Just click on access sets. Okay, here just click on add icon, code, that is common set. Okay, set code, click on search, select the set code, that is common. Set code, select the set code. Okay, just click on save. Okay, save. Now click on approve. Okay, the price list will be approved. Do you want to continue? Just click on OK. Yeah, save and close. Okay, here status is in progress. So just click on Tata name, start with Tata price list. Okay, name, that is Tata price list. Here status is in progress. As we refresh, status is approved. Yeah, status is approved. Okay, click on done. Now we are creating pricing segment by creating lookups. Okay, so for creating pricing segment, okay, click on setting and action, setup and maintenance. Okay, click on search. First task name as standard lookup. Standard lookup. Click on enter. Okay, manage standard lookup. Search the task, manage, manage standard lookups. Okay, lookup types. Click on search. Ora QP customer, that is customer pricing segment. Okay, here we have to scroll it down. Okay, lookup codes. Just click on add. We are adding our pricing segment lookup codes. Okay, here we are creating our pricing segments. Okay, let's say lookup code name is Tata. Okay, display sequence, that is, okay, let's check the last sequence number. Last sequence number is 140. Let's say 150. 150 our display sequence number. Start date, that is today's date. Let's select the start date, that is today's date. Okay, meaning that is Tata pricing segment. Okay, description same as that of Tata pricing segment. Paste over here, Tata pricing segment. Okay, just click on save and close. So in this way you can create some pricing segment in our application. Okay, now we have to create pricing strategy. Okay, so for creating pricing strategy, click on done. For creating pricing strategy, click on navigator. So scroll down, under order management we have pricing administrator task. Just click on pricing administration, click on task list, select the task name as manage pricing strategies. Okay, select the task name as manage pricing strategies. Manage pricing strategy. Click on create icon, name, let's say Tata pricing strategy. Tata pricing strategy, default currency. Okay, default currency, that is USD. Business unit, that is US1 business unit. Default currency, done. Okay, start date, you select the start date, that is today's date. Okay, click on OK and click on save and edit. Now go to tab pricing rules. Just click on pricing rule. Now scroll it down, the price list, we have segment price list. Just click on save and add. Okay, name, that is Tata. Click on search. Okay, select the price list, Tata price list, status approved. Click on OK. Okay, okay, just click on save. Okay, must specify the start date. Okay, let's start date is today's date. Click on OK. Let's check. Yeah. Click on save. Just click on approve. Okay, just click on yes. Okay. Just click on save and close. Now check the status. Okay, the status is in progress. Click on search again. Yeah, the status is approved. Okay. And now, after defining pricing strategy, we have to create customer pricing profile. Okay, so click on done. First, click on done. Okay. Okay, click on navigator. Scroll it down. Pricing administration task. So under pricing strategy, we have manage customer pricing profile. Okay. Okay. Click on task list. Okay, here manage customer pricing profile. Just click on the task, manage customer pricing profile. Now we are creating new. Just click on create icon. Okay, customer name. Let's already defined Tata customer one. Select the customer Tata customer one. Search with Tata customer one. Click on OK. Okay. Now the start date. Let's say start date is today's date. Okay. Okay. Click on OK. Now here revenue potential, cost to serve, customer value, customer rating, customer size. So same setup we have to give as pricing segment as well. Okay, so we are giving some values in customer pricing profiles. The same value we have to provide in pricing segment as well. Okay, so let's say revenue potential such as high. Okay, cost to serve, let's say low. Okay, customer value, let's say high. Okay, and the customer rating, let's say high. Customer rating, that is high. Customer rating, customer rating, that's say high. Okay, customer size, let's say okay, large. Just click on save and close. Okay, okay, click on done. Okay, okay, now so now after creating customer pricing profile, we have to create pricing segments in our application. Okay, so click on task list and manage pricing segment. Select the task, manage pricing segment. Okay, click on add row. So, okay, so system will verify when customer receiving profile, pricing segment, and pricing strategy assignment are same. Okay, here customer pricing profile, pricing segment, and pricing strategy assignment, all three must have the same details. Okay, so here we have to provide the same details over here. Okay, now customer profile, that is high. Customer size, that is low. As you select it is low. Cost to serve, so we are setting as high. Customer value, we are set as high. Customer value, let's say high. Customer rating, let's say customer rating, say high. Okay, now the pricing segments, select our pricing segment, data pricing segment. We create already our pricing segment, search with our segment. Okay, click on search, data pricing segment, just click on OK. Okay, so same. Okay, same details, revenue potential high, customer size large. Okay, so all the details we are selected. Okay, just click on save and close. Now click on task list. Now we have to perform pricing strategy assignment. So for pricing strategy assignment, search it, click on the task, manage pricing strategy assignments. Okay, select assignment label is header, pricing context as sales, and transaction type as service order. Now select the pricing segment, that is our data pricing segment. Select our pricing segment, data pricing segment, transaction type, that is sales order. Okay, pricing strategy. So search our pricing strategy, that is data pricing strategy. Select our pricing strategy. Okay, yeah, let's click on save and close. So we create customer pricing profile, pricing segment, pricing strategy assignments. Now we are creating carriers. So for shipping method, we have to create the carriers. Okay, so let's create carrier in our application. Click on task list. Okay, sorry, click on setting an action and open our project. Okay, click on task list, manage implementation project, search for our project. Okay, search the task name is manage carriers. Manage carrier, select the order management based path, click on manage carrier, just click on go to task icon, click on create. Okay, okay, let's say carrier name is Tata Steel Road. Okay, the status that is active. Now go to shipping method step. Okay, just click on add icon. Service level, we have multiple service level like next day air, like next day air, by boat, special cargo, or door to door, standard by ground, rail, truckload items, worldwide express. Let's select the truck. Mode of transport, let's say by air, okay, by ocean, okay, by rail. Okay, as we select service level is truck, let's select the mode of transport as truckload. Okay, now scroll it down. Truckload organization association, to associate our inventory organization with that truckload. So select for our organization, that is 001. Click on search icon. Select our organization, just click on apply. Okay, select the row, click on apply, click on OK. Okay, yeah, organization associate with that truckload, just click on save and close. So in which inventory organization item related information we want to access from order management. So those inventory organization we have to select. Okay, so as we select our inventory organization, that is a CTL inventory organization. Okay, So in this way, you can create carrier in your application. Just click on done. Okay. We create the carriers. Now we are creating planning source system. Okay. So for planning source system, your application, click on navigator. Okay. So for planning. Okay. For planning, yeah, in supply chain planning, we have plan inputs. Okay. For planning source system, we have to select the task in supply chain planning. Okay. So in supply chain planning, we have the task manage planning source system. Just click on task list. Okay, select the task manage planning source system. Manage planning. Okay, yeah, manage planning source system. Okay, Oracle provide the OPS, that is the C date data. Select the row. Okay, yeah, select the OPS and just click on manage organization list. Okay, click on refresh organization list. Okay, so here we have to select our inventory organizations. Okay, our item master organization and our chiller inventory organization. So 00000 operation is our item master organization, and 001, that is CTAIL, that is our child inventory organization. So we have to select the organizations. Okay, so our item is in at CTAIL and in our operation as well. So in which inventory organization item related information we want to access from order management application. So those inventory organization we have to select. Okay, let's say from operation and from CTAIL. Okay, after selecting our inventory organization, item master organization, just click on save and close. So here we select our inventory organization, child inventory, and our item master organization. Okay. Now after defining the planning source systems, we have to run collect planning data. Okay. So for running collect planning data, the data system captures in planning. For that, we have to run collect planning data. Okay. So from inventory management application to planning center, from order management, you are fetching data from planning center. Okay, just click on done. Okay, so in order management application, inventory organization we can use with the help of planning center. Okay, scroll it down. We have the task in supply chain planning. We have the task that is collect planning data. For running the collect planning data, just click on the task list and select the task collect planning data. Okay, select the source system, that is OPS. Okay, collection type you can select as per your requirement. Right now we are selecting as targeted. Okay, scroll it down. We have reference data. So what information you want to fetch from our inventory organization to order management application, from inventory organization application, or from inventory application, what data you want to receive in your order management application. You can select like calendars, catalogs, customers details, item cost, item sub inventories, items in the organization, our children inventory organization, or our item master organization, our resources for raw materials like sub inventories, or supplier as well, unit of measure and definition. Okay, so right now we are selecting all the inventory application data to order management application. Okay, now go to tab supply planning data. Here also we have to select in accordance to your use. You can select the informations like moment request, okay, for transfer, on hand quantities for particular item, purchase order and the requisition data, sales order, transfer order, or work order supply, resources availability information, how many resource availability in your inventory application. Okay, so right now we are selecting the all the data, and we are transferring all the data from inventory application to order management application. Okay, so here we are transferring supply entities to our selected entities. Okay, let's check again, set reference data. We select all the supply planning data. We are transferring all the data from inventory application to our order management application. Okay, just scroll down, just click on submit. Okay, process 5120,984 was submitted. Just click on OK, done. Now go to schedule page and check collection job set. Scroll down, just click on tool, click on schedule processes and search the process collection job sets. Click refresh. Collection job set, yeah, is it ready? 94 it is running. Yeah, it takes time. It takes up to 5 to 10 minutes. Just wait a while. Okay, so now after running the process collect planning data, we have to create sourcing rules. Let's go to our application and create sourcing rules. Okay, just click on navigator, scroll it down under order management. Yeah, under order management we have task global order promising. So select the task global order promising. Okay, so here we have to create the sourcing rule in global order promising task. Just click on the task list. Okay, and select the task manage sourcing rules. Manage sourcing rules. Okay, click on create icon. Okay, let's say sourcing rule name is Tata. So Tata sourcing rule. Okay, description same as that of the name. Okay, organization assignment type, that is global. Okay, now sourcing rule affected dates. So just click on add row and select the today's date. Okay, the start date is today's date. Now effective start date, sources, click on add, select the type as transfer from. So we are setting the sources for sell the material, not for buy the item. Okay, so for sell the material we are selecting the type as transfer from. Select our organization, so our inventory organization, that is 001 CTAIL. Okay, allocation percent, let's say 100%. Okay, rank, that is first. Okay, and other attributes not mandatory over here. You have to provide, if you want to provide shipping method or other attributes, you can fill. Yeah, no issue. Just click on save and close. So in this way you can create the sourcing rule in our application. Now we have to manage the assignment sets. Click on okay, yeah, done. Sourcing rules, click on save and close again. Click on task list. Now we have to manage the assignment sets. Just click on the task, manage assignment sets. Okay, here search, click on search. Okay, here are some seeded assignment sets available in Oracle application, Oracle order management application. These are some seeded assignment sets. Okay. Okay, let's select the global order promising. Okay, search our global order. Yeah. Select the global order promising and just click on edit icon. So under global order processing, so under global order promising, we are creating our assignment sets. Okay, the sourcing assignment. So in sourcing assignments, just click on add row. Okay, assignment, here we have to set the label, assignment label. So select assignment label as item and organization. Okay, or you can select item and customer as well. Okay, right now we are selecting as item and organization. Okay, or you can select the organization as well. Yeah, so select organization, select our inventory, so let's select our chill inventory organization, that is 001 CTAIL. Select our organization. If you want to specify your particular item, you can specify your item as well. Sourcing rule, here we have to specify the sourcing rule. Okay, sourcing type, that is sourcing rule. Sourcing rule or the bill of distribution. So select. Okay, here we have to select our sourcing rule. Let's say create the sourcing rule in our application. That's a data sourcing rule. Search with the data sourcing rule. Click on search. Yeah, data sourcing rule. Select our data sourcing rule. Sourcing type, that is sourcing rule. And the sourcing rule is data sourcing rule. Okay, in this way. Okay, if you want to add more source assignment sets, you can add like a customer level or item level, you can add. Okay, just click on save and close. Okay, set profile option, that is MSP default assignment set. Okay, we have to go at administration profile values to set profile options. First profile option, first click on save and close. Okay, now we have to run the administration profile values. Okay, so click on static and action, then click on setup and maintenance. Okay, click on task list and click on search icon over here and search the task. Name is manage administrator. Click on enter. Yeah. So manage administrator profile values. So select the task, manage administrator profile values. Okay, so profile option code. Okay, your profile option code, that is MSP default assignment set. So search with MSP. Okay, right, MSP underscore default score assignment set. To search with MSP default assignment set, this is our profile option. Click on search. Okay, so here we are just verifying our profile option code, that is MSP default assignment set. Profile display name, that is order promising sourcing assignment set. Application global order promising. Okay, yeah, no issue. Okay, site and the label profile value is global order promising. Here is just verify. Okay, just click on save and close. Okay, click on done. Okay, now we have to create the ATP rule. Available ATP rule is nothing but available to promise rules. Okay, so for creating ATP rules, just click on navigator, scroll it down, click on order management task. Under order management, we have global order promising. Select global order promising task. Okay, click on task list and search the task. Select the task, manage ATP rule. Click on task list, manage ATP rules, available to promise rules. Okay, let's create the ATP rule in our application. Let's say data ATP rule. Okay, ATP rule criteria, supply chain availability search, lead time base. You can select in accordance to your use. Right now, so you are selecting as infinite availability based. You can select supply chain availability search. Okay, as we select supply chain availability search, here we have to select the other attributes like on-hand quantities, okay, like purchase orders, plant supply, in transit supply, demand supply. So right now we are selecting as infinite availability based. Okay, now go to tab ATP rule assignments. Okay, click on add icon, assignment basis. Okay, so select the assignment basis as item and organization, assign to organization, that is 001 CTEL, and assign to item, that is our item Tata 1001 roller bearing. Select our item. Okay, click on search, select our item, that's a Tata 101. Okay, so item not spaced because the process is still running. Okay, the process is still running. ESS process. Okay, open a new page and check the process, check the schedule process. Okay, scroll it down, click on schedule processes. 0984, a process name. Okay, collection job set, that is still running, so that's why your item is not fetching over here. No issues. Sorry. So select assignment basis as organization. Okay, yeah, no issues. All the details over here. Just click on save and close. Now click on done. Now we have to again run the collect planning data. Okay, after creating ATP rules, again we have to run collect planning data for updating sourcing rules, sourcing assignment sets, and ATP rules updated in planning data. Okay, so as we created our sourcing rules and sourcing assignment sets or and ATP rules, so for that we have to again run the collect planning data. Okay, so just click on click on task list, click on the task, collect planning data. Okay, source system, that is OPS, targeted, collection type, that is targeted. Okay, reference data, transfer all the data from reference entities to selected entities, and go to tab supply planning data and transfer all the data from supply entities to selected entities. Just click on submit again. The process 5, okay, 1168 was submitted. Okay, click on refresh. Okay, strike the collection job set 1168 running. Okay, it's loading the data. Okay, it's running, process is running. Okay, yeah, let's wait for a while process get completed. Okay, okay, now let's again check the planning data get succeeded or not. Yeah, collection job set, yeah, that is succeeded. Okay, now run the refresh and start the order promising server. So for that we have to run a scheduled process, that is refresh and start the order promising server. So search with refresh and start. Click on enter, refresh and start the order promising server. Refresh and start. Okay, select the refresh and start the order promising server task. Just select the task, click on OK. Again, click on OK. Here we have to select some basis option. Okay, from transfer order, purchase order and requisitions, work orders. So select the all, like fulfillment line, allocation rules, some ATP rules, item substitutions, sourcing application, calendar association, customers, item aux. Okay, resources, routing, suppliers. So all the details. Need of measure. Okay. Okay, so return. Yeah, just click on submit. So select the all the data for order promising server. Your process get submitted. Okay, click on refresh icon again. Yeah, refresh and start the order promising server. Process isn't running. Click on refresh. Process is running. So after running the refresh and start the order promising server, and at the last we have to disable credit check for customer. Okay, so for credit check for customer, open our project and search a task that is manage customer. Okay, open our project. This SCM. Task name is manage customer. Select the task, manage customer. Okay, manage customer. Manage customer, sorry. Manage customer, click on go to task icon. Okay, search for the customer organization name, that is Tata Customer 1. Click on search Tata Customer. Yeah, here. So click on the account number and go to tab. Okay, go to tab profile history. Under profile history, we have the checkbox, the credit check. Okay, the profile history, scroll it down. Yeah, including credit check. So for that, we have to disable. So for that, click on action and click on correct record. Here we have to disable including credit check. Okay, so last task. Okay, just click on save and close. Done. Okay, so these are some basic setups in our order management application. So before starting the our receivables or O2C cycle, we have to perform all these some basic setups in our application. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.